Well, welcome back. We are in the kitchen now with Chef John here from the Cutting Edge Classroom with a special Valentine's Day dessert. Which I was like, are these donuts? And you're like, well, in some kind of way. They're Spanish donuts. They're the churros.
Yes, they are. They're churros, and you could do them in different shapes. I have some here that I did in heart shapes.
So cute.
And I have one that we'll dip in chocolate in a little bit.
Yes.
They're a little tricky to pipe out in the heart shape, so we're going to do some straight ones like this.
Keep it simple.
But if I have any left, I'll show you how to do one.
Okay.
It's not too hard.
What's in there?
So this is called a choux pastry. So basically it's flour, water, egg, salt, vanilla, and butter.
Flour, water, egg, salt, sugar, and vanilla.
Very similar to what you use like for cream puffs and stuff like that as well. Same kind of pastry.
All right.
So what we're going to do, I'm giving you these scissors. You're going to be my helper.
All right, and we're going to have this recipe over on our website too. So if you didn't get that, we got it all on there.
Yes. So this is oil at about 350 degrees, and I'm just going to pipe, and you're going to cut.
So you tell me when to
cut.
Go ahead, cut. And there we go.
Perfect. One more time.
There we go.
We'll do a couple more. And as you can see, one more. And you have to be kind of careful with this. All right, so those are cooking. Oop.
Wow.
So I think I have enough here to do maybe a heart shape, so I'm going to give it a shot.
Okay. How do you do the heart shape? You make it in advance?
So we're going to go right here. Yes, you do. So just kind of make a shape like that, and then come back up.
These smell like the state fair.
Yes, they do. That's what my wife told me this morning when I was making some at home to demonstrate. So that's pretty close. You always want to overlap here and overlap here so that they kind of hold together, because that's where they'll break if they're going to break when they're frying.
I love that.
And then you just pick it up. I have this sprayed with Pam. You just get underneath.
Where'd you get that thing at?
This? Dollar store.
What? No way.
Yeah, $1. Hey. But this is a bench scraper, and then you would just drop it into the oil.
Oh my gosh, how cool.
Cook it just like these.
Okay, do you flip them? What do you do?
No, because I think the oil's deep enough so you don't have to worry about it.
Okay, what kind of oil is this?
This is peanut oil, but you could use any oil that really holds up all the heat.
Okay.
But peanuts probably the best.
Yum, and you just put them right in there.
So we're putting them out on paper towels. I'm going to shut this off. And let's come over here. You want to dip?
Okay, so as we do this, tell me about some of your classes coming up for Valentine's Day.
We have some Valentine classes coming up. They're date nights. Most of them are full, but we still have a couple that have some room in them.
Okay.
And you could sign up on our website. We've also have a macaron class coming up for parents and children, so that's a real fun one.
So there's fun for the whole family.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So any tips for the chocolate here, how to get it like that perfect melt?
Yeah, I just use a double boiler, so I have water underneath. Get it hot, set your pot on top, put your chocolate in, and just stir it slowly until it melts. You have to be careful you don't get any water in there. That's disastrous for chocolate. It kind of seizes it up. So.
Awesome.
And then this one, and you could put them in sugar. So I have some cinnamon sugar over here.
Yeah.
You want to dip one?
Okay, yeah, let me dip it.
You could eat that one too.
Okay, you know, since I touched it, I don't want to spread my germs on anyone else.
A little sprinkle on there.
Yeah,
let's do it right. Let's get festive.
Okay, I'm
and there you go. Now watch, it's gonna be hot. Yeah, they're good.
That's amazing.
And there we go.
Okay, so we're going to have this recipe over on our website. Chef John, you're blowing us away. We still have time to sign up for some of his classes for Halloween, for Valentine's Day. Hello.
Yep, there we are.
We're going to have much more coming up in just a little bit. We'll be right back.
Thank you.
Good job. That was awesome.